and broke it. Now, how did some experts trade this? Immediately the market touch here, they will sell and take profit here. They will buy, take profit here and sell again, take profit here and buy. But the danger of this thing is, of this kind of trade is, you are not 90% sure that, let me erase this. You are not 90% sure 90% sure that when the market gets to this level, it's going to buy, it's going to sell. So that is why it's a very risky trade, and that's why I don't advise people to. That's why I don't advise people to trade it. So just trade trends and leave consolidating or ranging markets. But you can also trade breakouts. You can trade breakouts. What do I mean by trading breakouts? I'll still go back to the chart to show you all this as we move on with this video, as we move on with this class. So what do I mean by breakouts? For instance, the market, this is the level the market has been consolidating on. Market came to this level, did this, came down small, went up, touched this, did this, trade outside, went up. So what I mean by breakouts, when the market broke this, if you notice, the market now did, let me say the market did this here, like this. Immediately the market broke out from here, you wait for a pullback. You wait for a pullback back into this structure level. And once, so that means once you see the market coming back into this structure level, and you now start seeing buying pressure here, just take your buy and put your stop loss. The market will go up. I'm going to show you all these examples. So on my chart, I'll show you an example of a breakout, how to trade a breakout, and I will show you example of a consolidating market. And also I'll show you how to trade breakouts, consolidating